Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another interesting video. In this video, we will talk about how we can move an object along a path. And also, I will teach you how to create a pendulum. So let us start. So first of all, we will draw a triangle. In order to draw a triangle, you have to use a polystar tool. After selecting the polystar tool, go to the properties window. Here you will find an options button. Click on this button and the number of sides for the polygon should be 3. Click OK. So now from the color palette, I will use this time linear gradient with different colors. So let us take green color scheme by adding more colors to it. And now we will draw a triangle. So we have drawn a triangle here. After this, we will change this triangle to a symbol. So select the option convert to symbol. After right click and then type the name of the symbol as triangle. Click OK. Change the name of this layer to triangle. And then lock this layer. Create another new layer and change its name to path. Select the path layer and here we will use pencil tool to draw a path along which this triangle will move. So let us draw a path, any path what you like, on which we want the triangle to move. Now I have to use selection tool in order to select this created path, but you can see that when I have selected the whole object, this triangle is not selected. Why? Because it is created on a triangle layer and which is locked. So it is easy for me to select a particular path. Now after selecting this path, cut it by pressing Ctrl X from the keyboard. Go to the triangle layer again, unlock it, lock the path layer, and then right click on the triangle, use create motion twin option. So this is the second step, and the third step is go to edit menu and then use the option paste in place. So you can see here that the triangle is now moving along the given path. But when I will execute this, you will observe that the triangles is not changing its direction. So, and also it is very quick. Here there is no need for the path layer, if you want to delete it, you can delete now. There is no need for it. Now click on the path. I was saying that it is very quick. In order to make it slow, you are having here FPS. FPS stands for frame per second. This frame per second value tells us that how many frames will be executed per second. So lesser the frame per second value, the slower the movie will. So if you want to slow down the animation, give the lower value. Like for example, if I put the value 4 frames per second, so double click here and then change the value and then press enter to change FPS value. Now press Ctrl enter, you will observe the triangle is now moving very slowly. Fine. After this, like I told you, that the triangle is not changing its direction. In order to do this, click on the path. So when you will click on the path, in the properties window, you will have orient to path checkbox. So click on the checkbox, select the checkbox, and now as soon as you will select it, you will now observe that the triangle is changing its direction. Can you see? So now, if you want to change the direction of this triangle, you will use orient to path option from the properties window. Okay, so this is about how we can create motion twin along a path. Next is we want to create a pendulum. So click on file, new file, ActionScript 3, click OK. So in this file, what we want to create a pendulum. Okay. So let us change the name of the layer to top, and then use a line tool, change its stroke size to 5 for example, and then draw a line with black color at the top of this stage. Fine. Now create another new layer and name it as pendulum. Now lock the top layer and then draw a straight line. Then we will use the oval tool, draw a circle, use the arrow keys, select the circle first, and then use this arrow key to adjust its position. Once you adjusted the position of this ball, now select the whole pendulum and then convert this pendulum to a symbol. Okay, so this pendulum will be available in the library, as you know. Now what I want to move this pendulum here. Now I want to create a twin on it. So right click, create motion twin. So the top has disappeared. Click on frame number 24 for the top layer and press F6 from the keyboard to insert a keyframe. Come back to the pendulum layer, and now at frame number 5, press F6. Now I want to move this pendulum here at this position, from here to the top. So I will use free transform tool, and then I will move it here. Oh, what happened? So you can see the pendulum position is changed, but I do not want this. So press Ctrl Z. So the trick here is, can you see that there is a small circle, this one? So move this circle at the top so that this position remain fixed. Actually the object will move, it will move around this circle. So now you can change the position of the pendulum here at frame number 5. So at frame number 10, press F6 again. It should come back to its original position. And then frame number 15, press F6 again, and then it should go to the right side. And then frame number 20, press F6. At frame number 20, press F6, and then it should return to the original position. Press F6 also here. Now I do not want these frames after this frame number 20th. So what I will do, I will select all these frames which are not required to me, and then right click and then say remove frames. So this pendulum will work like this. Excellent. Now execute your movie. So it will work like this. Good. So we will slow down this movie by putting 5 frames per second, the value, and then it will look like this. I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.